Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a black bear. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw the black bear. I'm starting with its head. It's a giant black bear, so it has a big head. Here's its mouth and nose. Let's draw its eyes. Now let's draw its big body. Here's its leg. And this is another one. Here's another one. And this is the final one. It seems like my drawing is done, and now I will do the coloring. I'm using a black marker to do the coloring. Now I will use gray pen. Now I will use my pencil to do some coloring. I'm using a pale orange colored pencil. I'm using my black pencil. Let's clean a bit. I'm using a little bit of cyan inside its eyes. Its nose is black. And my drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.